Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Open Task Manager, click More Details, then the Startup tab. If it's blank, run Task Manager as administrator so you see protected entries. Once done, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Startup to verify Windows level toggles because Task Manager reads those. Make sure you're signed into an admin account. Without elevated rights, some startup entries won't display. These checks separate a simple UI issue from deeper configuration or registry problems. Now move to repair steps. Next, you inspect Windows startup stores. Open Regedit and check HKLM and HKCU under current version /explorer /startup approved and run keys. Missing or corrupted values hide items. Then run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files that feed Task Manager. Also check the startup folder and task scheduler. Some apps register there instead of the registry. If permission issues appear, take ownership of the affected registry key and reapply default permissions. Finally, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to apply registry and permission fixes, then reopen Task Manager to confirm startup items reappear. If you exported a working reg file, import it now or recreate entries manually and re-register the app. Once done, validate switches in Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Startup. If Task Manager still shows nothing, restore a recent system point or create a new user profile. Task Manager behavior can follow corrupted user hive. Tip: if changes fail, check Event Viewer for registry or permission errors and address those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.